फौरी तौर पर उनको बहुत बड़ी राहत मिली
5
है।
साल का भी जिक्र किया है सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कि इस्लाम का अनुयायी होना जरूरी नहीं है।
नहीं, सरकार डिसाइड कैसे करेगी? आप फ्रेम कैसे करोगे? रूल कैसे फ्रेम करोगे? आप कैसे तय करोगे कि कौन 5 साल से प्रैक्टिस कर रहा है? ये तो आस्था का विषय है, ये तो अंतर्मन की बात है। तो माननीय उच्चतम न्यायालय ने इन तमाम संवेदनात्मक पहलुओं को और छोटे-छोटे पहलुओं को देखा है। तो मैं बहुत खुश हूं और मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है। एक बहुत बड़ी लड़ाई है इस देश में वक्फ की जमीनों को बचाने की, हम उस लड़ाई को लड़ते रहेंगे।
You see, the Honorable Supreme Court has made very categorical interim order today. Number one, there is no stay on the amendments brought in by the central government headed by Manniya Narendra Modi ji. So there is no stay on the amendments. Only there is a interim order in favor of the petitioners regarding that they cannot be deprived of the work property without following the procedure laid down in the law, including the amended law. Third, that if any work has to be taken by the government or the possession has to be taken back, that the procedure laid down in the Waqf Act, including the amendment of the Waqf, that procedure has to be followed by the tribunal as well as by the Honorable High Court. So after judgment of the tribunal only, that order can be given effect to. So that is the very clear order today by the Honorable Supreme Court. And very important order that those works are now has to be registered, meaning thereby those works which are not registered, they will not be treated as work property.
Sir, there is a contentious issue about practicing Muslim, that one has to be a practicing Muslim before he creates a waqf.
You see, if you remember that when this argument was going on, at that point of time, learned Solicitor General of India had given concession about this provision that the 5 years practice of Islam, the Honorable Court can decide this issue as per their own discretion. So accordingly, those who are practicing, who have not practiced Islam for 5 years, they cannot create work. That provision has been stated.
वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।